Her house halfway around the world. Now I was invited in for a small taste of gin. There was a hallway 1,000 birds long, but the biggest one of all was in a cage too small. I asked the caretaker, cause he was a maker. Looked at me and laughed, took another sip from his glass. He said, open up your ears and hearts. You put a big bird in a small cage and sing him a song.
Walked in, they got their black suits on and the songs would begin. You open up